So, guys,
remember me? I'm a YouTuber.
Wait, ilan yung...
I almost got 60 subscribers.
But
What?
600.
Ano po ning mga kuwan?
But her YouTube channel got deleted because of her tablet.
Here is Nesty.
Her tablet.
This is Nesty. This is Nesty. Ow! I'm dying.
I will die too.
This is Nesty.
Uy, naon sa man.
No!
Kitsun!
Jordan!
I'm burning.
I'm covering my face.
Why? Because you're ugly?
No. What the? Girl!
I wish you be sure. This is Kim Kim.
This is Alexa. This is Nesty. And this is me.
Marto. Yeah, this is Marto. So, Elsa just deleted my 6 parts. That
6 part of what?
I'm gonna be dying here.
Go die.
Go to hell or go
Yeah,
to
yeah.
heaven. Yeah, guys.
Oh my God.